Anyway, I haven't gone very far, so we went down this passage. And then we went down that passage. I'm getting marked, so I'll just heal myself. So we go down this passage, as I said about 3 times now, and then I think we go up. Now we go down here. And this chest contains eye drops. Skip, now I'll just kill the relevance again. As I was going. Go down here. Ignore that phone, just going off. And now we go, I think we're really close to Degen now. Preemptive strike. I was going to film this preemptive strike because I just love these things. Magic pull. So your Dwight Slayer should aim for one person. So I normally KO it in one. Then have your Cure Artist cure everyone. I'm going to have my Cure Artist also attack. I think you just do that. That's an easy way to kill. And now it's time to face Degen. Dun dun dun! Nothing happened. Boss battle. Degen. Sorry, but I've just got a bone in my mouth. After that slight emergency, I'm back. The stuff I've got. I'm still at Degen. So I've got full magic. I think I'll change my equipment because I think the. Oh, where's my holy arrow? Yeah, that was 18. So I'll use some holy arrows for this fight. So he's got about 1,000 hit points, I think. Yeah, and he hits hard. I'm going to start using my Cure Artist. I'm just going to have to hope my Cure Artist goes before Degen does, or I'm sure it's screwed. Yes! Fire! Damn. Oh, wasn't that bad. Still, again, I mean, Ipsos takes quite a bit of hit. No magic on him. Thing is, I sort of wish I could have Cure on Arc, because he's not taking any hits whatsoever, so. Oh, no offense that. Actually, I'll have him heal. Don't heal on me. And attack. Well, Luneth's hitting for the highest amount here, so. Potion. Fire. Fire and all. Damn. Now I'm gonna do some damage. Yay, I beat Legion. Tons of experience. It was only 50. Come on. Twin Shadows give more. You get 20 more. Seriously, Legion gives you no experience whatsoever. I think his gold is pretty good. Dun dun dun. No. Epic, no. Teleport. Hey, what's going on? We're going to die. None of us know. Ah, you've lost your love of life. Ha 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 ha. I always love this music. Your crystal. It is I who summoned you. I summoned Luneth in attack mode. I've chosen warriors, blah blah blah, all this random rubbish. Blah blah blah, you call Brim gone, blah blah blah. Time to take the light, blah blah blah. Now we get jobs. Woo toot. And now we go through the credits of death. I think. Credits of death, bye.